Hello, this is Joanne Chambers, and this is MPA 594 with Dr. Sundstrom, Week 5 presentation regarding a major change in a public administration setting. I have chosen Riverside County's Department of Public Social Services Welfare to Work CalWorks program. I will be reviewing my thesis, my 3 themes, the theories related to the themes, and a conclusion. In my thesis, Mr. Jones has been hired as the new supervisor for the Welfare to Work program. He will be implementing a new way of documentation and evaluating intake and continuing cases of cash aid recipients. The pilot project will take 5 months. In the first stage, which would be the first month, is implementation. They'll be dividing the counselors into 2 groups, one for the intake caseload of the new Welfare to Work recipients and one for the participants in their continuing caseload for the job search and education duties. This includes theorists such as Golick, they'll be using the POSCOR theory, Simon, Cohen, March, and Olson in the garbage can theory, Taylor for his management skills, and Riddle Weber for the wicked problems such as counselors not agreeing or wanting to do the intake versus the continuing caseload, and the disbursement of duties to be even. The Katz and Kahn theory of input and output fail. Bloom regarding the roots and branches theory and reinventing the wheel, and MPA 520. In the second, third, and fourth month is the second phase. It consists of staffing and coordination, selecting the counselors for each group, training of the counselors to make sure they include all aspects of the intake caseload workload and the continuing caseload workload. Documenting of the participants, making sure that it is timely and meets the purposes for the participants. This uses theories such as Maslow for his hierarchy of needs chart, which is based for the resources of making sure that the participants have their needs met, whether it be their housing, safety, their self-esteem, mental health, child care, and transportation. Follett for collaboration with other departments in meeting the needs for the participants, Bernard and Downs. In the last month, month 5, the evaluations. We will be evaluating the outcomes of this pilot project as successful or not successful, determining how the counselors did in their duties, making sure that the counselors did the required duties that were assigned to them, and making sure that the proper counselors were selected for the positions. The theorists include Golick with the pause core again, with recording, record keeping, and evaluations. Kotz and Kahn with the output of all the input information previously given. Silsnek, McGregor with his X theory and Y theory. The manager needing to um, be rigid on the outcome of how the counselors did, and Mayo with the Hawthorne effect. That is my presentation. Thank you very much for listening, and have a blessed week.